Hey guys, welcome to a new vlog. So today we're going for house viewing, and yeah, I've decided to take you guys along because I don't want to hide this, and I don't want to just like keep it. So yeah, let's go check out this apartment together. If you're new to this space, hi, I'm Cash Rocks, and I'm welcoming you here on this page. So this place is noisy. I'm going to talk to you guys immediately. Whatever. Hello. Sorry. We have a viewing by 2 p.m.
Yeah, is it with Jess?
I don't know.
That's okay. You're with Jess. She'll be ready about 2 o'clock. That's fine.
Okay.
You take a seat and then she'll let you know.
Thank you.
Ruby Street, and then I'll drop you off at Riverside and Lucy will take you from there.
Okay, that's okay.
She's trustworthy, so you'll be alright.
That's okay. But it's near to the school, right?
Both of them are, yeah. They're both down this road. So they're all really close.
So guys, we just arrived at the location right now, and
that way best thing.
okay.
As long as
Okay, so we just arrived at the location. I think it's One Rain, and we are going inside now.
You guys want to come on in?
Yeah.
And the lights on. Mind their shoes. No, sorry.
Should we close the door? Hi.
If you come through this way, we've got a little open space kitchen living room area. So all the appliances are included. So you get your washing machine, microwave, fridge, freezer integrated there.
Okay.
TV license, and the Wi-Fi is included in your rent as well.
oh cool.
And then you come through this way. You got bedroom 1 through here. Hi, sorry, just popping in.
Is this wardrobe?
Yeah, this is the wardrobe. Is this wardrobe?
Yes, wardrobes are built in on both sides.
Oh, okay. Let's see this one.
Madam, I the same thing.
No, the other one, the cocker. This other one.
Okay.
This one, the cocker. Yeah.
Okay, kitchen.
Yeah, this is just the kitchen. The
The
kitchen is pretty good at all. And it's simply maddening. And it's Mine used to do.
Here we are. Yeah. Sorry, are we alright to...
Oh, sorry for that.
Sorry.
You're right there.
I have been there for
Bele. So guys, we just got to the second apartment. Okay. Baby Nadia.
Yeah, after you guys.
Good job, it's empty, isn't it?
It wasn't fiddle last time, actually. Has it got the 2 locks?
Maybe.
We've still got it.
That seems better. Look at the bamba.
I'm surprised. I can't talk about it. I don't know how to get it.
Don't have them.
I can't believe it.
Kitchen and
Can't believe.
pretty much the same.
Or else that.
Apart from something to do with the door.
So this is the kitchen and that's
This will be your living room, so this will have, we'll put blinds in.
So if you come through this way, you've got bedroom 1. New bathroom is going to be installed.
oh that's different.
Yes.
My bad.
Yes. Yes. No. So you know, this is the really popular one.
Okay.
So that's a separate person that could also apply for it.
Oh, okay. So this is a room.
So this is 1 bedroom.
Yeah.
So you've got your built-in wardrobe. This is going to have a shower
Okay.
and the sink included. So all of this is going to be furnished as well.
So this is the.
Yeah.
It's gonna be renovated.
Yes. And then another bathroom
Okay.
and bedroom 2.
Everything got to be furnished.
Okay. So 1 bedroom. That's master's bedroom.
Yes.
And then this one is
So-
another bedroom.
Yeah. So 1 person will be signed for this bedroom. 1 person will be signed for that bedroom. But you're in the same tenancy.
Okay. And then this one is the.
That's the main bathroom. So that'll have a new bathroom built in
Okay.
by the time you guys moved in.
And then that's the kitchen and living room.
Kitchen, living room, and that one is with the ensuite.
So the ensuite and this price, are they the same or different prices?
So they're slightly different.
What about
So the ensuite is
That's the.
165,
Okay. How
and this one's 155.
165.
Yeah.
155.
If you wanted to add it all together and split it equally, then that's fine as well.
Okay.
If you pull that
Okay. 165, 155 per week.
Yes.
And then in a month should be almost 1,000 something per month.
Yeah. Yeah. Something like that. Yeah.
All right. So we have this one. as
Yeah.
well.
No, and have that one as well by all means.
I'm not trying to sway you.
So
So if you want to come through here and take
Yeah.
a look in here as well. So again, all of this will be furnished. So you'll have your TV and your Wi-Fi,
okay, fully furnished.
fully furnished. Yeah.
Okay.
But then obviously there's a lot of floor space.
Yeah.
So you're paying for the extra space. If you wanted to add your own bookshelves, rails, storage, etc., then obviously feel free to do so. And very big kitchen.
Yeah. So guys, we are done with the viewing and the house is kind of shared apartment. When we saw online, it wasn't stated that it's gonna be a shared apartment. We saw that it's 2-bedroom flat and we're just excited for it. So the first one, it wasn't really giving, but we went to the second one. The second one was so nice. Like I really love the second one. Even my husband, he loves the second one as well. But the same thing is the same thing that was applicable to the first one was also applicable to the second one. You can't rent alone. Like it's gonna be a shared apartment. One of the rooms is going to be rented out to another person. So you guys might be 3 different people staying in one apartment, and we don't want that. We want an apartment that we manage by ourselves an apartment that is ours. So because of that, we're not going to pick that as well. So right now we'll go back and start doing another search for apartments online. So we have decided to go to some outlets to inquire about their housing. So we just went to the Newton follower now, and we spoke to them regarding apartments, about the fact that we are looking for a place to move in by August, September. They said that any place that they have at the moment is going to be available by May. So May is quite close for us because we need something that we're going to move in once we are moving out from where we are staying at the moment. So yeah, we need the time frame of August to September. We're not accepting May, we're not accepting June or July. So yeah, let's head over to the second place we're going to. So guys, we just came out from on the property and the properties, on the properties, and they don't have an apartment like 2-bedroom or 3-bedroom apartment at the moment. So the only apartment they have is the only apartments they have are shared apartments. So we are not taking shared apartments. Don't want to share with anyone, like I said earlier on. What we want is a private property for us. So yeah, we are still heading forward again to see if we're gonna get something better. If you're unable to get that by the end of today, if you're unable to get that by the end of today, then we'll call it a day, but hopefully we do. Right, still keep coming with us, and if you've watched to this point, please kindly subscribe. Okay, subscribe.
Hello.
So we came to inquire about apartments.
Okay.
Is there any available apartment, 2-bedroom or 3-bedroom apartment?
Okay. In what location?
Lincoln, LN6, LN5, just close to the school.
Are you already registered on our database?
I think I've been here once, but I
Okay.
didn't get any message.
Okay. What's your name?
Rosemary. $30,000 to $40,000 price estimate.
Okay.
Yeah. Hey guys, so we've gone to different places and we're asked to check back by June, July, to check an apartment that is close to check an apartment that will be available for August and September. Okay, so right now I'm kind of tired and my battery is low. I'm also sure that my husband is tired as well. So how you from you not tired? So he said he's not tired, so I guess I'm the only one tired, and my battery is really low. I was thinking of taking you guys along with me to go buy something before, but for now I don't think I'll take you guys here anymore. So yeah, we'll call it a day for this vlog. And our apartment hunt for today was not that successful, so hopefully by next time I come up here to talk to you guys, we are going to have gotten something better. And even if we go for viewing, we should be able to get something that we'll be moving into, or a place that we'll be moving into. But yeah, you guys take the sound, don't take this video as you see it. I'm definitely sure that it will be noisy, but it is what it is. So I will get to talk to you guys on my next vlog. Please subscribe if you haven't. Stay tuned for more videos like this. And I've gotten to African store. Baby, I'm going to pick something here. You want to cook soup, right? You want to cook soup? Soup. African store. So we just arrived at African store. And I actually said I'm not going to take you guys in before, but this is an African store here in my city where you get to buy some things. Where you get to buy some African products or African food stuff. Alright guys, I'll get to talk to you guys later. Bye.